Welcome back to channel Auto Drive. HUB brings you the ultimate destination for automobile lovers, covering reviews, launches, and innovations across the auto industry. The 2025 Mercedes Hype THC motorcycle has become one of the most talked about futuristic two-wheelers in recent times. Designed with cutting-edge innovation and premium styling, this new concept by Mercedes pushes the boundaries of what a motorcycle can be. Unlike any traditional motorcycle, the Hype embodies both artistic elegance and hyper-performance, built to challenge not only speed records but also design conventions. It's a representation of Mercedes-Benz's ambition to blend luxury with next-gen mobility in the motorcycle segment. At first glance, the Hype demands attention. Its aggressive stance and aerodynamically sculpted body scream performance. The motorcycle features a sleek, minimalist frame made entirely from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber and graphene composites. This not only reduces the overall weight significantly but also enhances the strength and flexibility of the chassis. The result is a dynamic silhouette that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. From the front fascia to the rear, every line and contour of the Hype has been designed to optimize airflow, reduce drag, and maximize stability at high speeds. What truly sets this bike apart is its powertrain. The 2025 Hype runs on a next-generation electric powertrain that is entirely emission-free but capable of matching and even surpassing some of the most powerful internal combustion superbikes in the world. The electric motor produces over 250 horsepower, allowing the bike to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.5 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to around 300 km/h for safety, although it's capable of more. The battery pack is a revolutionary solid-state unit, offering higher energy density, faster charging, and longer life than current lithium-ion solutions. On a single charge, riders can expect a range of up to 400 kilometers, depending on riding conditions. Mercedes has also paid great attention to handling and control. The Hype uses an adaptive suspension system that reads road conditions in real time and adjusts the damping for optimal comfort and performance. It's paired with an advanced steering system that allows for near telepathic cornering, giving the rider absolute confidence even on the tightest of curves. The bike also features regenerative braking, energy recovery systems, and an intelligent traction control system that ensures a smooth and safe ride in all weather conditions. Technology plays a huge role in defining the character of this motorcycle. The Hype comes equipped with an augmented reality helmet interface that replaces traditional dash instrumentation. All vital information such as speed, battery status, GPS navigation, and rider alerts are projected directly into the rider's field of view through a heads-up display. This means no need to take your eyes off the road, significantly improving safety. The helmet is also equipped with AI-powered voice assistance and smart connectivity, allowing seamless interaction with the bike's system and your smartphone. The motorcycle is fully connected via 6G communication technology, enabling vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication. This means the bike can warn the rider of potential hazards, traffic updates, and even communicate with smart traffic lights to improve ride flow. Over-the-air updates ensure that the software remains up to date with the latest features and security protocols. Mercedes has even introduced a rider profile system that adapts the bike's behavior to each rider's preferences. Whether you want a calm city cruise or an aggressive sport mode. For the track, the Hype tailors its response accordingly. When it comes to safety, Mercedes has gone all in. The bike comes with AI-powered crash prediction, lane assist, and surround cameras that offer a complete 360-degree awareness system. The frame has built-in sensors that detect potential impacts and adjust suspension preloads or brake force to mitigate damage. There's also an emergency SOS system that activates automatically in the event of a crash, alerting emergency services with precise GPS coordinates. Furthermore, riders have access to remote monitoring and diagnostics via a dedicated app, allowing real-time updates on the bike's health and performance. In terms of design aesthetics, the Hype is unlike any motorcycle on the market today. The LED lighting system is inspired by the Mercedes hypercar lineup, offering stunning visuals and superior visibility. The front features a split headlamp design with intelligent adaptive beams, while the rear end sports a dynamic lighting pattern that changes according to speed and braking force. The seat is sculpted for ergonomic excellence, utilizing memory foam and temperature regulation to offer maximum comfort during long rides. Mercedes has also introduced an innovative cooling system for both the motor and the battery. It uses a combination of liquid cooling and airflow channels integrated into the bike's bodywork. This ensures optimal thermal management even during high-performance sessions. The Hypetch is also built with sustainability in mind. Most of its materials are recyclable or derived from eco-friendly sources. Even the paint uses a nano coating that is self-healing and reduces dust accumulation, keeping the bike looking brand new with minimal maintenance. Another key feature is the smart locking system. The bike can recognize its rider via biometric authentication, including facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, or a paired wearable. This not only enhances security but also makes keyless operation seamless. The Hypetch can also be summoned remotely in parking lots using the smartphone app. With advanced geofencing, it alerts the rider if moved without authorization and can disable itself if tampered with. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the bike's customizable ride modes. Each mode alters the throttle response, suspension stiffness, regenerative braking levels, and even the sound profile. Yes, even though the bike is electric, Mercedes has included artificial sound synthesis for rider feedback and road presence. The sound can be customized to mimic classic ICE engines or futuristic electric tones depending on rider preference. The Hypetch also introduces a new level of personalization. Owners can choose from hundreds of color combinations, trim materials, and tech packages during configuration. From carbon detailing to laser-etched emblems and even ambient mood lighting built into the body panels, each Hypetch is a unique expression of its rider's style. There's also a dedicated concierge service that helps owners with maintenance schedules, software tuning, and even track day setups. Mercedes has hinted at plans to launch limited production numbers initially, targeting elite buyers and collectors. However, if the Hypetch proves successful, a more mass-market version may follow in the future. The company believes that electric superbikes are the future and wants to be among the pioneers to redefine this category. With the Hypetch, Mercedes is not just offering a motorcycle, they're creating an entirely new riding experience that blends emotion, intelligence, and innovation in one breathtaking package. From a pricing standpoint, the Hypetch will not come cheap. Given the level of tech, materials, and engineering involved, it's expected to carry a premium price tag upwards of $120,000. But for those who crave exclusivity and cutting-edge performance, this bike offers value far beyond traditional machines. It's more than just transportation, it's a piece of future mobility art. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Hypetch motorcycle is not just a machine, it's a bold vision of what tomorrow's mobility can look like. With its blend of raw performance, futuristic technology, and premium craftsmanship, it sets new standards in the world of motorcycles. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a luxury seeker, or a die-hard rider, the Hypetch is bound to leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated with the latest in automobile innovations, concepts, reviews, and launches, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive HUB for more exciting content.